Dear friends, today also we bring some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are 10 stocks including NMDC, Shriram Finance, Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders, etc. Those have announced split dividend or bonus. Along with, let us discuss the details of two IPOs coming in this week. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Shriram Finance Limited, Shriram Fin, current market price rupees 2,883. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. 10th January is fixed as the record date for the stock split. Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited, MASDOC, current market price rupees 4,674. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. That means if you have 100 shares of Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders, your 100 shares convert to 200 shares. Record date for the stock split is fixed as 27th December 2024. Jackson Paul Pharmaceuticals Limited, current market price rupees 646. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 2:5. That means if you have 500 shares of Jackson Paul Pharmaceuticals, you will get 200 shares as bonus. So total you will have 700 shares. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 8th January 2025. Richfield Financial Services Limited, current market price rupees 83. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 1:1. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Richfield Financial Services. NMDC Limited, NMDC, current market price rupees 214. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 2:1. That means if you have 100 shares of NMDC Limited, you will get 200 shares as bonus. So total you will have 300 shares. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 27th December 2024. Getalong Enterprises Limited, current market price rupees 512. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 2nd January 2025. Jai Balaji Industries Limited, Jai Balaji, share is trading around rupees 898. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 17th January 2025. Technopack Polymers Limited, current market price rupees 75. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 1:1. That means if you have 1000 shares of Technopack Polymers, you will get another 1000 shares as bonus. So total you will have 2000 shares. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Technopack Polymers. Julian Agro Infratech Limited, current market price rupees 28. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. Record date is fixed as 8th January 2025. KPI Green Energy Limited, KPI Green, current market price rupees 796. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 1:2. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 3rd January 2025. Anupam Finserv Limited, current market price rupees 2.38 per each share. Company announced a rights issue at the rate rupees 1.75 per each share. Ratio of rights issue 1:1. That means if you have 1000 shares of Anupam Finserv Limited, you can apply for another 1000 shares at the rate rupees 1.75. Record date is fixed as 27th December 2024. You can apply for rights issue from 13th January to 27th January from your broker's app. Hardwin India Limited, Hardwin, current market price rupees 30. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 2:5. That means if you have 500 shares of Hardwin India Limited, you can get 200 shares as bonus. So total you will have 700 shares. Record date for the bonus is fixed as 27th December 2024. IPOs. Carraro India Limited, face value rupees 10 per share, price band rupees 668 to 704, lot size 21 shares. IPO opens on 20th December and closes on 24th December 2024. Base of allotment 26th December. Initiation of funds and credit of shares to demat account is fixed as 27th December 2024. Listing date of Carraro India is fixed as 30th December 2024. Shareholding pre-issue 100% and shareholding post-issue 68.77%. Incorporated in 1997, Carraro India Limited is engaging in manufacturing components ranging from the smallest gear to complete tractor manufacturing. The company designs, manufactures, and sells transmission systems primarily for agricultural and construction equipment for off-highway vehicles. It also offers a wide range of gears for various sectors, including automotive, trucks, agricultural, and construction vehicles. The company owns and operates two manufacturing plants in Pune, Maharashtra, India. The driveline manufacturing plant occupies a plot area of approximately 84,000 square meters, while the gear manufacturing plant covers an area of approximately 78,000 square meters. The driveline plant has technologies including casting, machining, assembly, prototyping, testing, and painting. The gears plant features machining and heat treatment technologies such as carburizing, induction, hardening, and nitriding products. The company has developed expertise in the agricultural tractor and construction vehicle industry in India and has established a network of 220 suppliers across 8 states in India, along with 58 suppliers internationally. This is the balance sheet of Carraro India Limited. Unimec Aerospace and Manufacturing Limited. Face value rupees 5 per share. Price band rupees 745 to 785. Lot size 19 shares. IPO opens on 23rd December and closes on 26th December 2024. Base of allotment 27th December. Initiation of funds and credit of shares to demat account is fixed as 30th December 2024. Listing date 31st December 2024. Incorporated in 2016, Unitech Aerospace and Manufacturing Limited is engaging in the manufacturing of complex tools like mechanical assemblies, electromechanical systems, and components for aero engine and airframe production. The company is an engineering solution provider specializing in the manufacturing of complex products with build to print and build to specification offerings. This involves machining, fabrication, assembly, testing, and creating new products based on the specific requirement of clients in the aerospace, defense, energy, and semiconductor industries. Between year 2022 and year 2024, they have manufactured 2,356 SKUs in tooling and precision complex sub-assemblies category and 624 SKUs in the precision machined parts category, supplying to more than 26 customers across 7 countries. As of March 31, 2024, the company operates 2 manufacturing facilities in Bangalore covering a total area of over 120,000 square feet. Unit 1, located in Peenya, spans over 30,000 square feet, while Unit 2, in a special economic zone near Bangalore International Airport, covers over 90,000 square feet. These facilities are registered with ISO. As of March 31, 2024, the company had 384 employees. This is the balance sheet of Unimec Aerospace and Manufacturing Limited. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.